Welcome back once again for another Class 10 CBSE Mathematics previous year's board examination question papers. The question is, the denominator of a fraction is 2 more than the numerator. If 2 is added to both its numerator and denominator, then the sum of the new fraction and the original fraction is 46 divided by 35. Find the original fraction. Here we need to find the fraction. Let numerator be x. Then the denominator, according to the question, the denominator is 2 more than the numerator. So the numerator be x plus 2. Then we can write our fraction is x divided by x plus 2. Now according to the question, if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, 2 is added, then the new fraction is equal to x plus 2 divided by x plus 4. Now given that the sum of the new factor plus the old factor is 46 by 35. That is x by x plus 2 plus x plus 2 by x plus 4 is equal to 46 divided by 35. Now we want to solve this. X into x plus 4 plus x plus 2 the whole square divided by x plus 2 into x plus 4, that's equal to 46 divided by 35. That is x square plus 4x plus x square plus 4x plus 4 whole divided by x square plus 4x plus 2x plus 8 is equal to 46 by 35. That is 2x square plus 8x plus 4 divided by x square plus 6x plus 8 is equal to 46 divided by 35. Now cross multiply. 35 into 2x square plus 8x plus 4 is equal to 46 into x square plus 6x plus 8. That is 70x square plus 280x plus 190 is equal to 46x square plus 276x plus 368. That is 70x square minus 46x square plus 280x minus 276x plus 190 minus 368 is equal to 0. That is 24x square plus 4x minus 228 is equal to 0. We will get the quadratic equation. Divide this quadratic equation by 4, we will get 6x square plus x minus 57 is equal to 0. by factorization. Factorizing, we get 6x plus 19 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. That is 6x plus 19 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to minus 19 by 6, or x is equal to 3. Here we cannot take negative. Avoid the negative fraction. We will get x is equal to 3. Then our original fraction is x divided by x plus 2. Substitute the values. 2 divided by 3 plus 2, that's equal to 2 by 5. Sorry, 3 by 5. This is the final answer. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Study well, prepare well. Thank you once again.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12. Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12